Hello everyone, it's Republic of Gamers and Nikita here, and we've got a new review for you today in the new year of 2024. I hope you've all had very merry holidays. As usual, the new year starts off with announcements of new technologies and innovative products. Last week we had CES 2024, during which our ROG brand revealed new products as well. One of them, the brand new next generation gaming smartphone, ROG Phone 8. And it's not just one, but a series of products. It includes the ROG Phone 8 and the ROG Phone 8 Pro. The smartphone has changed a lot since the previous version, so let's delve into the details right now. We really like each of our ROG phones, but we also know that their design is not for everyone. That is why we decided to change the early sci-fi inspired gaming design for something slimmer and thinner, so that the ROG Phone 8 would appeal more to those who just want a flagship phone with a large top-class display. The first thing that strikes the eye is the lighting that's different on the ROG Phone 8 compared with the Pro version. The basic version features an ROG logo you can customize to your taste using a whole range of colors or preset visual themes via the exclusive Armor Crate application. As for ROG Phone 8 Pro, it features the Anime Vision technology. It's a mini LED display that can show animations for system events, the battery charge level, incoming call notifications, the status of the Gaming X mode, and much more. It looks awesome, and when it's turned off, it seems to disappear completely. The smartphone's cover seems to be a single hole with no indications of a built-in display. It's really cool that it's hidden that way. Now, what about dimensions? The ROG Phone 8 has become 15% slimmer. Despite its less rounded of edges, it fits better into the hand. The biggest change is about the overall form factor. The device has become much more compact, lighter and thinner, but without any compromises in terms of performance. You might think that the display was going to become smaller along with the whole device, but no. It's the same size of 6.78 inches, but thanks to the slimmer bezels, the screen-to-body ratio is now as high as 94%. Although the same size, the display uses a completely new AMOLED panel with a brightness of up to 2500 nits, so we can easily play games or watch movies even under sunlight. The AMOLED display with LTPO technology supports adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz, depending on the current task to reduce power consumption. You can also select a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz for smooth gaming, whereas the touch sampling rate reaches an impressive 720 Hz for instant response. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 mobile platform, the ROG Phone 8 is also equipped with 8533 megabit per second LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is 25% faster in terms of GPU performance and 25% more energy efficient than the previous version of the platform. The smartphone can be configured with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage, or 16 plus 512 GB. Or in the Max version, it's 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. This mobile platform comes with all of the Snapdragon Elite gaming features for more speed and better visuals. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is in fact the first mobile platform to support Unreal Engine 5 Lumen. With hardware ray tracing acceleration, Snapdragon Elite gaming gives you cutting-edge lighting on mobile devices. Games become truly photorealistic with multiply light sources, shadows and reflections reacting to your interactions with complex environments. To prevent overheating during long gaming sessions, there is so-called rapid cooling conductor, part of the GameCool 8 technology, taking heat off the center of the device to its back panel. The new Air Active Cooler X has become 29% smaller but 1.2 times more efficient, so the temperature of the back panel goes down by a whole 36 degrees with it. By the way, the cooler is optional with ROG Phone 8 Pro. The device is available without it as well. Besides its premium design and top performance, the ROG Phone 8 series is the world's first gaming smartphone to be IP68 rated for dust and water and grease resistance. Of course, we ran our ROG Phone 8 Pro through benchmarks such as AnTuTu and Geekbench. In AnTuTu, the smartphone got a record-breaking result of 2,256,498 points. In Geekbench, we have 7,316 points in the multi-core mode and 2,306 in the single-core mode. These numbers prove that it's really powerful gaming smartphone with highest performance and a lot of top-class features. Designed to deliver exciting gameplay, it will surely impress technology enthusiasts and geeks, and of course gamers. Now let's see what cameras we have here. The main one delivers crystal clear images with the latest 50 megapixels IMX890 sensor by Sony. The wide 24mm lens is perfect for dynamic street snaps, whereas the 2x zoom mode turns it into the equivalent of a 50mm prime lens, perfect for portrait and food photography. The main camera has a 6-axis Hybrid Gimbal Stabilizer 3.0 for even smoother shake-free videos and photos. The improved stabilization now supports the standard and portrait shooting modes. It hardware anti-shake OIS and upgraded EIS software algorithm, which uses the gyro to detect movement, allow dynamic adjustments of the field of view to always keep your video rock steady. For the first time ever, the ROG Phone 8 features a 3x telephoto camera for capturing distant objects. It has built-in optical image stabilization to ensure crisp and sharp results, and it supports night photography mode for low-light shots. Using unprocessed RAW files, the hyper-clarity technology preserves every detail, giving you clearer images, even at 30x zoom. When capturing videos, the telecamera makes use of the adaptive EIS to deliver stable results at 10x zoom. The ultra-wide 13-megapixel camera features a freeform surface modeling optical design and the latest algorithms to reduce lens distortion and produce stunning yet natural images. Overall, the ROG Phone 8 series delivers exceptional quality and clarity for every shot and capture. The field of view of the 32-megapixel ultra-wide front camera has been upgraded from 73 to 90 degrees, so it's perfect for group selfies. With the additional white pixels on its RGB-W sensor to capture more light, it produces clean images with less noise even in low light. Of course, the new smartphone features the same ultrasound ear triggers that gives you unrivaled fingertip game control with a console-like experience. They support a wide range of gestures, including dual action. There is also an X-axis linear motor that provides powerful haptic feedback. The ROG Phone 8 comes with 5500 mAh battery and a 65-watt hypercharge fast charger. And by the way, it now supports wireless charging as well. Lastly, the smartphones still have two Type-C connectors in the usual location on the bottom and side. For when you turn the ROG Phone in a horizontal position, the second additional port will serve as a convenient place for charging. There is also a 3.5mm audio jack for connecting audio devices. So what the end result? The redesigned ROG Phone 8 has transformed from a gaming device with sci-fi inspired looks into a luxury product which is slimmer and lighter and has thinner screen bezels. Conceived as a powerful and versatile device for gamers, streamers, content creators and many other users. It brings you a lot of gaming features together with high performance, premium design and everyday utility. The revised smartphone series goes beyond the ordinary, offering cutting-edge technologies, innovative design and exceptional user experience. And now I'm going to say goodbye to you and thanks for watching. This is Nikita and Republic of Gamers. Stay tuned. As always, we have a lot of exciting things in store for you. See you soon.